Hello, welcome back to the show. The first week is a May Day holiday from May 1st to 5th in China, and everything is slow. In this episode, I will focus on the challenges that embodied AI faces in understanding the physical environment and completing long horizon tasks. On April 30th, Tencent Robotics X Lab and Futian Lab released a video showcasing two quadruped robots. They completing a range of interactive tasks in dynamic open environments, all guided by human voice commands. The video highlights a new framework that can enhance robot perception and decision making. So the system integrates a language, vision, and spatial reasoning to build real-time environmental representations. It allows robots to use knowledge from past interactions to improve performance in the next stage. So, inspired by the brain cerebellum division, it separates the high-level planning from the low-level motor control. The robots can also decline tasks beyond their functional boundaries. Together, these capabilities mark a step toward more intelligent robotic systems. Second, I want to share some ideas of Huang Jiangnan, an economist and honorary chairman of Phoenix Tree Capital Group, who gave a talk at an industry event in Hangzhou City. Huang said that digital intelligence is a new form of life that will eventually surpass human intelligence, but not as a rival, but as a potential partner in the evolution of civilization. He compared the differences between AI and humans. First, survival needs. We human beings are carbon-based, cyclical, and rely on complex ecosystems. So every generation needs to relearn and rediscover knowledge in a limited lifetime. But AI develops cumulatively. It retains and builds on all previous data and iterations. Digital intelligence only requires computing power, and it can function in extreme environments. Does not compete with humans for food, water, or land. So AI could solve challenges related to human existence, such as clean energy, resource management, and disaster response. AI reflects the data and algorithms humans provide. Current bias and adversarial techniques in AI only mirror human society flaws. The key lies in the mindset and the values we embed into it. Okay, the following two pieces of news are about companies addressing challenges related to the vision language action models, VLA models. First, PsiBot, or 零出智能 in Chinese, is a company established in 2024 by Wang Qibing, Chen Yuanpei, and Chai Xiaojie, also supported by Peking University professor Yang Yaodong. PsiBot pioneered the shift from end-to-end VLA models to a layered architecture, separating the vision language modeling, the VLM, and action. This approach allows VLMs to learn from internet-scale data while limiting the costly real-world training to the control layer. In April, the company released PsiR1 with a layered fast brain and slow brain design. PsiR1 also integrates action data via an action tokenizer into the planner, so it can combine historical actions, real-time feedback, and physical interaction data with vision and language. Thus, it creates a richer, more accurate understanding of the physical world. The company said that reinforcement learning, not just LLM-style imitation, is essential for building the truly intelligent robots. Next, I want to introduce a Beijing-based company called Lightwheel Intelligence, which mainly uses synthetic data, also with human in the loop, as a solution to one of the key challenges in VLA development. Established in 2023, it initially focused on autonomous driving and now provides synthetic data to many leading companies. Recently, both Xie Chen and Yang Haibo, co-founders of the company, have talked about the importance of synthetic data. They believe that simulation-based synthetic data is critical to training foundation models, and the future of AI training data will be dominated by synthetic data, because real-world data is just scarce, costly, and hard to scale. So the company is building a simulation operations team of over 1,000 people, the world's largest embodied data factory. Lastly, about two companies, that one is low profile and another is quite rare. For the low profile, I'm talking about Deep Robotics. It only updated a story on its WeChat account on April 29th about Linux Mac M20, the industrial-grade wheel-legged robot that is capable of challenging terrains and dangerous environment. I have to say that it's very satisfying to watch these Deep Robotics demo videos. Compared with the Unitree, I find that Deep Robotics generally has a low profile and has much less marketing stunts. So the latest news on its website is a strategic cooperation with XGrease, or Qiyü Chuangxin, which provides innovative 3D content generation tools and development platforms. I guess they are working to employ the scanning and modeling technology to empower the robotic dog. Also, TeleAI. I'm talking about the Institute of AI that is part of China Telecom, one of China's main telecommunications operators. In this team led by Professor Li Xuelong, they have demonstrated highly dynamic embodied motion control using a robot to perform Tai-Chi. The video showcasing quite realistic human movements, and it has attracted wide attention online, earning it the nickname Kung Fu Master Humanoid Robot. TeleAI is rare because it is one of the few state-owned enterprises actively engaged in AI. It is focusing on AI governance, AI flow, and embodied AI. So AI flow sounds quite interesting because it features intelligence based on connectivity rather than relying solely on data-driven approaches. You can understand that because China Unicom is a telecommunication operator with a vast backbone network, it is ready to address issues like high data transmission and the network bandwidth. To explain this AI flow, TeleAI gives an example. Get me something to eat. A robot dog pushes the door open with its head, and 3 small drones carry an empty basket out of the room and into the kitchen. There, a robotic arm selects a bag of snacks based on the owner's preference and places it into the basket. Now, the 3 drones then carry the basket back to the room. This model features collaboration, knowledge sharing, and environmental interaction. Actually, it looks a bit similar to the idea of data robotics I explained earlier in an episode, which also rely on the cloud and the data transmission, because the founder of that company also from another telecommunication operator, China Mobile. TeleAI also showcased its TeleSearch 2.0. Let me explain this. For example, you have these massive volumes of traffic data about the cars on the roads. And so this robot can remember everything about the traffic regulations to automatically detect the video segments that shows perhaps a car, a truck, violates the traffic regulation. The team said this can significantly improve the traffic management. That's all for this episode.